Hello again, friends. Welcome back to the alphabet adventure. Do you remember the letter we learned last time? Yes, it was the letter A. Today, we are going to meet a new letter. Can you guess what it is? It's the letter B. Say it with me, B. This is capital B and this is lowercase b. Let's say it together, B. Excellent. Now, let's learn the sound the letter B makes. The letter B makes a sound like this, buh. Can you say buh? Great job. B for ball, buh for ball. Do you know any other words that start with B? Let's look at some more words that start with B. B is for beer. B is for banana. And B is for boat. Can you say them with me? Now, let's practice writing the letter B. First, we start with a big line down, then a round curve at the top and another curve at the bottom. That's capital B. Now, for lowercase b, make a big line down, and then a small circle next to it. That's lowercase b. Let's play a game. Can you find the letter B in these pictures? Awesome job! You're getting really good at finding the letter B. Now, let's sing a song about B.
B is for bear, B is for boat, B is for banana that we like the most. B is for ball, we can kick and throw. B is the letter that helps us grow.
Fantastic work, everyone! You did a great job learning the letter B today. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know all the letters. See you next time for more fun on our alphabet adventure.